What the hell? My food. Okay. Eileen, want to prata?
What is it?
Angles. Today we're gonna eat some mukbang in roboox. You can't just do that or something. I think yeah.
You have to do.
I don't know. I can't actually. Anyways, we done.
Let's go.
Look at this. It's just baked mac and cheese and so cheesy. I will let her go to the bathroom again. We're sniffing this food like it's the only source. Mozzarella sticks. No! No, Eileen, no. No, dude, I don't want. No, Eileen. No, Eileen, what the hell? Like, I can't hear it. You know what, guys? Guys, let's go. Let's go.
The whole thing.
Eileen, put air freshener. Oh God.
We don't have.
Okay, then just eat. My mozzarella sticks are so mozzarella.
Let's try the red turkey chicken and the blue turkey chicken.
Oh my God, Eileen, why am I sauce?
Have you drink one?
Guess what, Nate?
Chicken in the...
Yeah, sure.
You want to say what I can?
Nate. Oh my God! Oh my God! There's something running by. Eileen, stop being so sus, okay?
Fourth on channel.
Ew! Eileen, I'm gonna get you soon. Eileen, you talk. The chicken is out.
Yeah,
I don't know.
spicy.
I mean, it is spicy, but it's not really flaming. It's not flaming. It's just blaming myself. I heard blue stuff comes from blue stuff.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna put it.
Yo. Okay. We add blue stuff.
Oh, we are missing money here. Okay, let's do salmon now. Because I don't have.
I already eat my salmon.
What do you eat? You stole my salmon, so I stole your salmon. Wow, we're literally spamming. Now we're gonna do chicken tenders. Eileen, do not steal my chicken tenders. Somebody close the butt. Okay, that's all, yeah, but not really all. We're gonna pick our favorite. We're gonna pick our favorite food and rate it. Yo, can you put grapes? See grapes.
Yeah, I'm eating pineapple.
I'm eating with my hands, okay? Okay, anyway. Oh yeah. Wait a minute.
Okay, bye.
So, guys, can I do for a second? Yes, we're doing it. We need drinks.
Hi gang, so it's Ivy here. Let me talk with them, girl. So yeah, who got it?
Oh my God. Okay, okay, we got our order.
Give me my order.
Okay.
This is my.
No, that's mine.
No, that's
your
mine.
grapefruit is yours.
Okay, so.
Okay. We're gonna try this sushi. Oh my God.
I already ate one.
Nom nom nom. Okay, let's rate this one. Okay, 1, 2, nom 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 nom. I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because it's not really spicy. Now let's Buffalo is super crunchy.
Yeah.
Super crunchy and super yummy.
Eat a pizza too.
Fine. Wait, let me just get my mussels. I love mussels.
Ooh, the sushi is so
Nom nom
yummy.
nom 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 nom. Yo. Now Italians will be rage quitting by now.
Yeah, because they're gonna blow up the place.
Super crunchy and
I'm
juicy.
getting the last one.
No, I will kill you. Okay, well, Ailey, go poop or something, cause I know you're gonna need it.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let us finish the mussel and then we can do pie. Finish the mussel first. Oh my god, finish the mussel. That's muscling. Who the hell opened my door? The person by the way.
Lama teka as dingoon.
No way.
Iwan sa may isa teka as niman book sa dingoon. Kaya ba yung
Yeah, but wait, I
okay,
No, wait a minute. I'm gonna end the video. Oh my god, what's this? And anyways, bye bye. Have a good day. Oh my god, everybody here.
Get out.
I live our video. We're hiding.
private room.
Bye bye. We're gonna see you next video, and we're gonna do it now.